Hi, I'm now in Petralia Sottana. There is also Sottana, and from this area came actually the most famous judges in the fight against the mafia in Sicily. Terranova, he was killed by the mafia. So, and it's also a very cute little village to visit. So if you're in these areas, I recommend very much to visit. And I have to leave at 2 because there's a religious feast going on and they're preparing for it. So I can't have my car here longer than that. But let's take a mini tour. Petralia Sottana, with its 2,400 inhabitants, in the Madonie mountains, 1,000 meters above sea level. All kinds of populations has passed, Greeks, Romans, Arabs, and of course Normans, who built a fort. Normans created a rural city based on agriculture and cheap farming. Also a society mixed of farmers, artisans, and aristocracy. In this town was born one of the key figures fighting the mafia, Cesare Terranova. He drafted 931 sentences against Cosa Nostra, but was murdered by the mafia May 1971.